The time to stay home and stay safe's over, dude. It's time to get up, get out, and get to work. There's never been a better time than right now to get your act in gear, start learning a skilled trade, and make some progress in life. See, what initially drives these guys to come into Exterior Pro in the first place is the competitive wages and the benefits that we have, but that's not why these guys stick around. They stay for the adventure of the job, for the life experience that they get here, and for the fantastic work environment that we have at Exterior Pro. See, I believe the good Lord created us all, and He gave each and one of us a unique set of gifts and talents. And it's my job to help these guys figure out what those gifts and talents are and then put them in a spot where they can put them to good use. See, I'm a warrior, and I manage a team full of warriors, and we're looking for more tough guys just like ourselves. And it doesn't matter if we're putting on a flat roof on a factory, or maybe putting some standing seam on a commercial building, or maybe we're just fixing a leaky gutter on your grandmama's house. We do what we do with pride, and we do it with excellence. So you ask, who's this job for? Well, dude, you know what? It's for who it's for. And if it's for you, come and find me.